Hey guys, this is Kaushik and I'm a member of a club in my college and apparently it has an Instagram page in it. But here's the deal. My seniors, they're asking me to like all their Instagram posts and they're like around 75 to 100 posts. Well, now you see, I'm a very lazy person and scrolling down 75 photos and liking each and every one of them is really a great work for me and I don't have any patience to do it. And this is not the first time I'm looking at this problem. Many of my friends are super crazy about likes and they always want me to like all their posts. I gotta do something about this. I wanna do something which will put me out of this misery. So yeah, I've been searching and I got through this particular module called Selenium in Python, in which you can automate stuff. In a nutshell, it's like when you're too lazy to do your work, you can tell your computer to do it and you can sit back and relax. So yeah, this is what I've done. Guys, this was the Instagram page I was talking about, and as you can see, it has 79 posts, and yeah, I don't even like one of them. So the objective of this program is to automate it or tell the computer to go to this particular web page, scroll down, click on a particular image, 79 one at a time, and click on the like button. So yeah, before we get into the code, you must know something. This entire web page is an HTML and CSS script. If you want to know what is this code, all you gotta do is right click and click on inspect, or you can just Ctrl Shift I if you want to. So yeah, so here this is the HTML and CSS code, and now if you want to access a particular image or an element or a button, all you gotta do is go to that particular image, right click on inspect, and yeah. So as you can see, this particular image comes under the class of _9ahho. So yeah, in code, what are we going to do is we are going to tell the computer to come to this particular web page, search for the class _9ahho, and click on that particular image and like. So yeah, let's get into the details of what computer has to do step by step. So hey guys, now I'm gonna show you what exactly computer has to do. So initially computer has to search for Instagram, and yeah, 1 minute, and it has to log in. So yeah, it has to enter our credentials. So sorry. And yeah, after entering our credentials, we have to click login, and yeah. And then the computer has to go to the search bar and search for the page which we needed, like Unma_HLC. And yeah, from here you already know the computer has to scroll down, click on this image and like, and all 79 posts one at a time. So yeah, let's get into the code. So hey guys, this is the code, and yeah, initially I've imported a WebDriver function from Selenium model. And yeah, I've created an object for it, and I'm accessing the Google Chrome using this object. And here I've opened the Instagram page, and yeah, in this set of lines of code, what I'm doing is I'm entering my credentials and I'm clicking the login button, and then I'm searching for the page I wanted, which was Unma_HLC. So I'm searching for that, and yeah, in this function like. What am I doing is I'm extracting all the images and I'm clicking it and I'm liking, and yeah, and it takes like 2 seconds. So I'm using time.sleep function here for me to wait and check the picture at least. So yeah, let's see what happens if we run this program. As you can see, the Chrome is directed to Instagram now, and yeah, username, credentials, logged in, and yeah, Unma_HLC, it's searched, clicked, yeah. As you can see, all the pictures are looped through, and every picture is getting liked now, and I'm not even doing anything. My hands are in the air, by the way. And yeah, so I know that I did not go completely detailed into the code, but if you want a hands-on tutorial, please make sure to mention in the comments. And yeah,